Hi, in this short video clip, we're just going to show you how to copy a slide from a Desmos activity that's already been created into your own one. So you can see here in the Padlet that we've got loads and loads of activities, and I have seen this one here, this task that we used in our session on the 30th of November. And I particularly like this slide here, which is one that collects data from the student and draws a box plot. What happens is this question could be anything, and then the student puts an answer in and it draws a box plot. So you do need, again, several students to do this so that you'll get a box plot drawn. So if you want to use this in your activity, all you need to do is click on this button up here.
So, sorry, can I just clarify here with you, Kat, that this basically, what this slide does is it takes a number and creates a box plot.
Yeah.
And everything else you've created yourself. So you created the question, you've put in the picture and everything.
Yeah, that's right. So I found this in one of the slides that's been created by Desmos itself. And I just changed the question so that I felt it was something that was relevant to geography.
How would you know, looking at this particular page, that that's what it does?
So this was taken from a collection from Desmos, which is called Data Collection Screens. And it shows you, so you can sort of see from here. Can you see there?
Yes.
So you sort of get a view here, but of course, when you look at preview, all you do is if you put one number in, it says waiting for other students to do, because it's only one person trying it. So that's just it's tricky to see. But yeah, if you look there, that's what's going to appear. It's going to be your dot in a particular color, everyone else's dots in different colors, and then the resulting box plot just above it.
So when you were looking through that file on Desmos, you saw that image and you thought, that looks interesting, that might be something that would be useful. You clicked on it and
yeah, I mean, I spend quite a lot of time every time I see a Desmos task. I actually just look through the preview, and I think in this preview it might have said in the teacher notes what it did exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there are teacher notes as well sometimes.
Sometimes there are, yeah, if they come from Desmos itself. If it's just being created by a teacher, sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Yeah. So if I've copied that slide, say for example, I wanted to start a new activity and put that in, I would go to custom, and then I'm going to say I want a new activity, and I'm just going to call it new test or something, just as an example. So click on create new activity. And then, you might want to have an opening slide with some instructions for your class. And then I'm just going to click on this one in yellow and press Control V. And this is going to be this new data collection slide. So you can add, obviously, in other ones if you wanted to swap that around, the order, for example. This could be a sort of welcome introduction slide. And then this could be the slide that I want to use. So you might want to change the image here. You might want to change the question. There's lots of different things that you could do.
So basically, you can be a complete magpie and find lots of different slides that you like the look of and create your own activity without having to do any slide creation yourself.
Absolutely. I mean, I could say you could do this like, what height are you in centimeters? And we might not even want a picture. Let's get rid of it. And then preview that. So what will happen is you just enter in your height. I think that's what I am. And then as other people do it, we'll get a box plot of all the heights.
Fantastic.
Nicer with a picture, I think. So you can put a picture in just by clicking on media. And then the slightly awkward thing in Desmos is that you have to have the picture saved on your device in order to add it. But once you do, you can just add anything in there, even a video, whatever you want.
Great. Thanks, Kat.
Okay.